Have you ever participated in a real-life business challenge? From July 9th to July 13th here in Edem, you are going to get the chance to do it. Through communication, group work, design thinking, creative thinking, and adaptability to the Spanish culture, we together are going to look for innovative solutions to real-life business problems. You will get to know a Spanish company, work alongside them, and help them solve the problems of today and tomorrow. And who am I? I'm Kelsey, an American currently studying in Edem. I'm doing the Master in Entrepreneurship and Leadership, and I will be a mentor to help all of you with whatever you need. Questions to help guide you and to help you in your process of finding innovative solutions. Together, we are better go-getters.